What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hurt by Oliver Tree. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's using a few different power chords that pretty much just repeat throughout the entire song. There are 3 different segments to this song. The intro that just plays twice, and then the majority of the song, I guess we'll call the verses, are pretty much almost the exact same as the intro. There's just 1 chord difference, and then technically what you would play for the chorus happens, I believe, twice in the song, and it's just also just 1 chord difference. So I'm going to show you all 3 different parts. Now, starting with your intro, your power chords are going to be an A power chord, which is 5, 7, 7, index finger 5th fret low E, ring finger 7th fret on the A string, pinky finger 7th fret on the D string. Then you go down to a C bar chord, which is 8, 10, 10. Same formation here, you're just sliding it down to 8, 10, 10. Then you're going to go F bar chord, same formation again, just 1st fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. Then you're going to go to an E bar chord, which is open E, and then I'm barring the A and the D string on the 2nd fret. Then it does all that one more time. But instead of going to the E bar chord, it goes to A flat, which is 4, 6, 6. And that entire thing goes twice. So it looks like down, 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 Now that's the entire intro, only plays through twice at the beginning of the song. The verses for the song, which is pretty much the rest of the song, it just repeats. It's that same progression, but just that progression there. It does not go back up to the A flat, it just plays. I'm calling the chorus, when the lyric line, "I'm sorry if I hurt you," starts, it's very, very close to what you've already been playing. It starts on the A bar chord, goes up to the C bar chord, but then goes to a G bar chord, which is 3, 5, 5, then down to F, then it's A, C, single strum on G. So that looks like and it jumps right back into the original progression. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.